this is Loli, and this is my final website for my nonprofit organization. So the name is Immigrant Community Support, and I'm going to explain a little bit about my logo type. So like you see, there's three different people in a circle, which represent unity. I use three main colors, which is yellow that represent hope, blue that represent trust, and green that represent balance. So one of the main reasons why I created this nonprofit organization is because in my community there's a big population of Guatemalans that moved to the United States, and I have been working with some of them, and that's how I come up with this idea of this website. So the main point for this organization is we're an independent nonprofit organization with the only purpose to assist the immigrants population from Guatemala to become acclimate to American society. So most of the people that move here, most of them, they don't speak even Spanish. They speak dialects. Some of the most common dialects are Ixil and Quiche. And I wanted to explain through this website some of the main reasons why they need help. So I have the navigation bar here with the homepage about us, which explain more about who they are and where they come from. I also have the other section that is donate. I divide it in three categories: donating time, language barrier, and partner together. Donating time. Why donating time? Time is valuable for each individual. Sharing some of your time with them is really very helpful. How they can provide service in different areas that they need. For example, when they go to the supermarket, they don't know how to buy do grocery shopping because everything is new for them. So it could be one of the ways to help them. Another one is language barrier. Most of them, like I said, they don't speak even Spanish. And providing English lessons will be a very good guidance for them, and especially to communicate and express themselves and just speak up for themselves about anything that they want. Also, partner together. There's some churches and organizations that right now they're helping them. So that's why I created this other section so people can learn more about them. Then I have this section which is called Contact Us, which talks about more about the Tuscarawas County, Ohio community, the Guatemalan community. So people can learn more about this area. And also there's a contact information for people that want to help out or have more questions about it. And then finally, this is the volunteer section, which it's a path for people to donate money, to donate time, to help out more with different areas. So even when this is a website that is not real yet, but one of the main reasons why I wanted to create this is maybe to make in the future something real, to help make this community and be helpful in some way. That's my website, and thanks.